Recently, we stopped in Salem, Virginia at the Hampton Inns and Suites. This is a nice little town. The hotel is within walking distance to restaurants and stores and grocery stores. We really enjoyed this. Come on in here with us and check it out. You ever wondered what my favorite cocktail is? Hang around to the end for the answer. When you walk in, you see the beautiful atrium and lobby area. This is also where breakfast is served. Just a very pretty area here. The back patio is very nice, and it's a very relaxing area. Are you getting your recording?
Yeah.
I'm so excited. Salem, Virginia, Electric Road, Hampton Inn and Suites, room 624. Come in the room, immediately to the right. Nice, updated, modern restroom. Step in tub and shower. We have Chastity's. Nice little area here to hang your business clothes. Microwave. Good sized TV. Refrigerator. Coffee. Some storage there. Work area that I'll be using here shortly. And there's a hospital right beside us. That's what you'll see there. Couch and nice size king bed. Room 624. If you're still here, you waited this long to find out. My favorite cocktail is a bourbon old fashioned, specifically with either Buffalo Trace or Russell's Reserve. If you found this video informative, if you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe, hit that alert bell so you don't miss out on anything, and join the Moonlight Mafia. We have cocktails, baby.